Becoming agile needs a growth mindset. We will understand what is a growth mindset and fixed mindset. Growth mindset individuals think that intelligence can be developed over a period of time through practice and continuous learning, whereas fixed mindset individuals think that my intelligence is static and I cannot improve. Here it is what I am. I don't want to even try. Growth mindset individuals embrace challenges. They challenge any challenge that they come across. Fixed mindset individuals, since they do not want to try, they avoid challenges. Growth mindset individuals do not give up. They persist despite any obstacle that they come across. Whereas people with fixed mindset thinking give up easily whenever some obstacles are faced by them. Growth mindset individuals, they see their effort as a path to mastery. They constantly put effort, relentless effort they put. Whereas fixed mindset individuals see effort as fruitless. Growth mindset individuals invite and seek feedback, and they learn from feedback as well as any sort of criticism. Fixed mindset individuals ignore any kind of feedback that is given to them. Growth mindset individuals are inspired by others' success. They constantly try and follow others' success, and inherently they also become successful. Whereas fixed mindset individuals are threatened by others' success and will not be cooperating with others too at times. Looking at these two mindsets, inherently each one of us would have these kind of mindset with us, both fixed mindset as well as growth mindset. As we want to become better at Agile needs continuous learning and improvement. We need to become growth mindset individuals and put our effort in developing our growth mindset.